Hi there, how are things going? Elizabeth has a question for me in this episode of English Tip. Elizabeth, a member of the Speak Real English audience, is curious as to why we pronounce natural with a CH. A T between two vowels produces a D sound, did not you say that? That is a really good question, Elizabeth. Let us now discuss pronunciation. Indeed, there are instances in which a D between two vowels, such as city, results in a D sound rather than a T. But there are always exceptions when it comes to English. As a result, terms like nature, adventure, and future are all exceptions to the rule. For these terms, we say CH rather than T, especially in American English. Again, nature or natural, such as speaking authentic English, adventure, and the future. That is the correct way to pronounce a T in those examples. Naturally, there are numerous ways to pronounce the letter T in English. My recommendation is to be exposed to English frequently. This can be accomplished in a variety of ways. English language audio files of music, news, and tales are available for you to listen to on a daily basis, particularly when you have some spare time. Podcasts are a fantastic method to accomplish this. You can also get the podcast Speak Real English for free on iTunes for iOS devices and Stitcher for Android devices. In this manner, you can listen with your ears while you do other things, like cooking, cleaning, or whatever else you have to do at home, while you are in the gym, on the train, the bus, or doing anything else related to your activities. In this way, you can incorporate English into your life. And it is how one can truly become used to the various English sounds. The same letter can be pronounced in a variety of ways and sounds. Therefore, it is critical to use English as often as possible in your daily life. For a free ebook that can help you improve your fluency in English, I invite you to visit my Mr. English YouTube channel. Additionally, the website provides information on the Speak Real English Premium course, which aims to teach you how Americans speak English in everyday situations. This is not your average English course. However, I encourage you to visit the website and find out more information there. Now, I will be talking to you on YouTube shortly in another English advice. But in the meantime, why do not you visit and join us on Twitter at GoNaturalling or on the Mr. English YouTube channel, /GoNaturalEnglish. Please feel free to comment. Tell me your thoughts on the videos. Join the Speak Real English community, which has hundreds of other driven, amazing English language learners just like you, and share the videos with your friends. I appreciate you viewing, and I hope to speak with you soon. For now, goodbye.